Hey class, Grade Tripman here. This is my presentation on rumors and how they are more than just words. Some of the topics I will be discussing today are: first, rumors and how they occur every day in our society; second, how rumors affect all types of people; third, rumors begin for multiple purposes; fourth, reasons people believe rumors; and fifth, rumors can have everlasting effects. Moving on. First topic here, rumors are everywhere. Rumors are heard every day. You can go to work, go to have your lunch break, go to the water cooler, whatever. You can hear a rumor about a coworker easily. You don't even have to ask. You go to school, you don't even have to talk to anyone. You walk down the hallway and you can hear a myriad of rumors about multiple people in your school. You go to the market, you can overhear people talking about someone else, spreading rumors, what have you. Rumors are part of society. It's something we have to deal with every day. Moving on here, second topic of the day is rumors affect all types of people. No person is immune to rumors. Rumors can happen to anyone. Rumors can even affect former President Obama. There was a rumor in 2011 when Obama was in office that he was not born in the United States. So eventually, Obama finally provided his birth certificate just to try to squelch the rumor. While sending his birth certificate out, it was cold, hard evidence that he was born in the United States, and even afterwards, people still doubted whether or not he was still born in the United States. That's how powerful rumors can be. Even when presented cold, hard facts, people won't believe you just because they heard the rumor first, not the facts. Our third slide here today is how rumors start. Daniel Goleman references a good part in his article in our Reading and Writing Across Curriculum textbook. He mentions that anxiety plays a strong role in rumor spreading. The reason behind that is topics that make people anxious are the topics that are going to have rumors spread about them. And Jesse Singal, also from our textbook, mentions that rumors are driven by curiosity to know more. People spread rumors because it's only part of a bigger story, and they want to see if they can find that bigger part of the story, so that's why they spread the rumors. They send it down the line, and hopefully someone has the other part of the missing story there. She also says, Jesse Singal also says that rumors help build social status for the spreader. If someone has good, juicy rumors, people are going to want to come talk to them. People are going to come flock to them. How rumors spread. Gregory Rodriguez from our Reading and Writing Across Curriculum textbook mentions something called biased assimilation. Biased assimilation is basically people don't take in information unbiased. They already have a point of view set up in their brain, and they adapt the information to their already constructed point of view. And he goes on to say that information is constructed by our wants and needs, not by what the facts really are. We want our information to mold around our existing parameters. Nicholas DeFonso mentions that a rumor is an attempt to make sense of a situation, meaning rumors are just part of a bigger story, like I mentioned earlier, and people are trying to unmurky the waters with the rumor, trying to find an end to the story. That's why they spread the rumors. And Daniel Goleman mentions that fright leads to repetition of rumors. Topics that frighten people will be spread to others and be repeated more in some hopes of finding a cure to that fearness. Rumors have lasting effects. People need to understand this. Cass R. Sunstein mentions in Gregory Rodriguez's article in Reading and Writing Across Curriculum, efforts at correcting rumors sometimes hurt the truth, meaning that if you try to combat a rumor full force with all the facts in the world about the truth, it can somehow make you look guilty by you're trying too hard to prove something that's technically not even true. Then Gregory Rodriguez mentions that access to information doesn't really cure rumors. Just kind of what I was just mentioning. You can give the people who believe the rumors, who started the rumors, who spread the rumors, with all the facts in the world about how to squelch the rumors. But then there's still those people that hold out and believe the rumor because it's what they heard first. And that's why people stay with their initial opinion. It's what they heard first, it's what they know first, it's what they still deep down believe to be true. Well, that brings you to the conclusion of my PowerPoint here. There's my works cited pages. And thank you for your time, classmates.